Good morning and happy Saturday, you guys. I am ready to go for my open house and I want to give you guys maybe some tips. This is my first big open house I've ever done. And so first things first, I want to share with you guys is it's never too late to have an open house. It's never too late to always do creative and challenging things in your business, and it's never too late to start with where you're at. And so I don't want you guys also to look at the things that I have and think that you have to do it that way. I want you guys to see what I have set up as inspiration and to take it to implement tools and implement different ideas into your open house. So my open house, just to kind of give y'all some background, it is floating. So it's today from 1 to 4. I did get RSVPs on the time frame they would be here so I could know when it was going to be the busiest, which is obviously between 1 to 2:30 is going to be the busiest time. And that way I could know kind of where I need to be mentality wise. And so I do think it's really important to get RSVPs. The second thing that you guys are going to notice is that I'm very, very focused on fun, on creative ideas, on getting them to explore the spring stuff, spring and summer, but also fall and winter. And I'm also very, very, very focused on getting parties booked, okay? So because this will be on YouTube, I want to go ahead and add that every single thing that you were about to see is a personal special. That means every single thing that you see here, my customers are only seeing when they walk through this door and when they put their eyes on it, okay? So every single thing that I'm about to show you is a personal special. You as a consultant or an independent consultant, you can decide how you want to treat your customers. You can decide how you want to spoil them and take care of them, okay? This is not a Scentsy special. This is a Chloe special. So we are going to start with when they walk in. So they're going to walk in the door. You can do it with any space you have. My office has been in the works for a really, really long time, so I take a lot of pride in it. But when they walk in, first thing they're going to get, we'll start over here, is a goodie bag, okay? So they're going to get a goodie bag. These are already made up, okay? They consist of, first and foremost, a scent circle. I tried to do some of the scent circles in discontinued scents because I'm really pushing for that. And then a join flyer. This has been shared on our How I'm Working page. Inside, there are discontinued testers, so go through those testers, you guys, and any that you have duplicates of that are from spring, summer, get them out. There's no need for you to have all of them. I also have the discontinued list. I have any and all summer samples I'm trying to clear out, okay? And so all these new releases from spring, summer are getting cleared out. I tried to pack them down. And I only made it for the first 12. So depending on how many are coming, you could say the first 5 are going to get a sample bag or a goodie bag, or the first 6. So I did 12. A discontinued list. This is going to be really important when they walk in because I'm going to show you why in a minute. The spring summer catalog, guys, get rid of those catalogs. Get rid of those catalogs. So spring summer catalog, scratch and sniff. And then the back portion is all fall. Okay, so harvest collection, a full fall catalog, the scratch and sniff stickers, my favorites, the harvest brochure, and I think that's about it. So, and the first, does this have a bar in it? Yeah. So the first 5 bags are going to get a bar. Guys, these are bars that I already have with free and half off product. Everything that you see here, I got with free and half off product. Okay. This is the importance of always doing that. And so they're going to get a bag from me. I'm going to kind of gravitate them to come here first. They're also going to get 2 order forms. Okay, they're going to get 2 order forms and a pen. I just don't have them here. And I'm going to tell them to hold on to these, but just fill out the top portion. One is going to be for spring, summer. One is going to be for fall, winter. Okay, so I'm doing 2 different order forms for them. And then once I run out of bags, which I hope to God I do, then as they walk in, they're just going to get a spring, summer catalog with the discontinued scents and a scent circle as well as a fall catalog. Okay, next I do have some grab and go options for people that do want to shop. Again, this is not considered personal inventory. This is my own business. This is my own personal special. I would not sell this stuff on social media. I want to be very, very clear about this for anybody that sees this video. And y'all know I don't sell stock anyways. I don't do that. But they can do some grab and go. I do have a raffle. Okay, and I shared these flyers with you guys. So I did change it up a little bit because I had so much stuff that was, you know, stuff I've gotten free and half off. I wanted to incorporate some of the more like dreamy fall scents. So they get 1 entry for an order or 3 if they book a fall sip and sniff with me. And I have the raffle slips here. I also have this old warmer that I've cleaned and put a new bulb in. That'll be included in the raffle. Also here, I have the join section. This is where they're going to see the warmer of the month, and they're going to be able to see and smell these scents. And I'm going to be able to talk about the enhanced kit this month. This scent is incredible if y'all haven't smelled it, by the way. So where I'm going to navigate them to, though, after they get a goodie bag is right here. So first I'm going to have them sit right here, and they're going to go through all these discontinued scents. I have most of them here, but they're going to go through the discontinued scents, and they're going to write down in their catalog. They're going to circle on the back page where all the scents are listed in the catalog, all their favorites, or they can just use this list that came inside of their goodie bag. This is really important for Scentsy Club for me. This is really important for me to be able to get those spring summer orders. So all these orders that they get from spring summer is going to go into the spring summer order. Okay, that's what the first order form is for. When they're done smelling here, I'm going to take them over, tell them to come over here. And this is going to be fall winter. So these are all the new testers. This is the new bar coming out September 1st. The scent of the month coming September 1st. This is actually taking them to a PDF of the catalog, even though they already have one. The new release scents, Dumbo, that'll eventually be coming out. So I really want to give them a separate experience here. Okay, next I do have some bars. Again, this is a personal special. This is my business, so I'm going to be selling those. And then this is where the beautiful fall winter comes in. I got the home kit because I utilize it and maximize every single new release thing that Scentsy has come out because I want to get pre-orders for this stuff. So I have fall winter warmers from the home collection here. This is from SFR. I want to go ahead and get some hype around this flower that'll be coming out in the holiday collection. I also have 2 different warmer bases for the tabletop bases so I can show them how to unscrew and take it to a tabletop warmer, okay? So I really tried to think all this out and really process it. I have the laundry care that they can smell here. I have some of the new scents there. I have August warmer of the month here that they can look at. And then here I'm just going to do some light snacks, and I'm going to do some mimosas and some waters. And then I have some more warmers here. So that's it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm really, really focusing on bookings. I do have a gently used warmer table with old warmers. So any order they place, they'll be able to get a $5 used warmer that I cleaned and put a new bulb in. These are all warmers I got completely for free or half off or in clearance. And so they're not going to make me any money sitting in storage. They are going to be beneficial when my customers get them and use wax in them. And so that's just a little something extra I did. But I am going to be floating today from 1 to 4. I have some coming a little bit early. But have fun with it, you guys. If you're going to do a open house or a last chance first glance, you know, have the fall scents out, have the spring summer out, have them separated, give them 2 order forms. You really want to give them a full experience. You want to let them know that you want them to get this stuff free and half off. Incentivize that a little bit for them. So I hope this was helpful. I'm going to go ahead and get off and see you later.